of the greatest parts about flying to me is having a new perspective about the world we live in. Hello, my name is Brandon Voet. In my flying career, I've accumulated over 1,700 hours of pilot and command time and attained my ATP and Certified Flight Instructor licenses. I also meet and exceed all qualifications for Part 135 and have worked in challenging conditions while maintaining the highest of safety standards and customer satisfaction. Flying isn't just a job to me, it's my passion, and I want to share that awe-inspiring experience with others. My goal as a pilot is to learn and grow while maintaining the highest safety and professional standards. My name is Brandon Voet, and I hope to see you in the skies.